This is Old Man Barnes fighting off the after effects of a hurricane in my area. The thing that I need to tell you about in this video is that there is another dead snake in this video, and it's kind of getting rather suspicious that every time I do a snake video I find a dead snake. So this one had an obvious sharp object that had detached the head from the body. I did get to look at the scales behind the vent. They are split, and this does indicate that the snake that I'm following is non-poisonous. I believe it's Nerodia ramifer. Stay tuned, and if a snake carcass is alarming to you, please turn off the video now. So I keep finding these snakes deceased. What is the deal? Okay. This looks like the one I saw the other day, and the head is missing. Chopped off. Notice that the scales are distinctly split behind the vent. Non-poisonous. I think this is the one that was in episode 19. That looks like human intervention. Looks like a sharp object. Water snakes in the ditch.